Ever dreamt of stress-free international spending with ultimate control and security? Today, we're diving deep into leveraging Revolut's virtual card feature for your travels abroad, highlighting how it revolutionizes security, convenience, and currency exchange. Unlike traditional physical cards, Revolut virtual cards aren't tied to a physical piece of plastic that can be lost or stolen, offering an incredible layer of security. To get started, simply open your Revolut app, navigate to the Cards section, tap Get Card, and select Virtual Card to instantly create one. This is where the magic happens. You can instantly freeze your card if you suspect any unusual activity, or even generate a brand new card number for every online purchase, making it incredibly difficult for fraudsters. When paying in a different currency, Revolut automatically converts your funds at the Interbank exchange rate, often beating traditional bank charges and saving you money. For managing your expenses on the go, create multiple virtual cards and assign them to specific spending categories, like one for your daily travel budget and another for online bookings. You can seamlessly add your virtual card to Apple Pay or Google Pay for convenient contactless payments almost anywhere in the world, leaving your physical wallet securely tucked away. Always keep an eye on your Revolut app for real-time transaction notifications, allowing you to monitor your spending and spot any unauthorized activity instantly. Embrace the freedom of secure and convenient spending with your Revolut virtual card on your next adventure abroad. Safe travels.